gorgeous. Okay, so it's been a while since I've done this. This is my go-to current quick makeup routine. These are the products that I kind of just keep on my counter at all times. I just grab for them immediately without even thinking. Let's just get right into it. First, I'm starting with the Merit Instant Glow Serum as my primer, which is, I mean, at this point, I feel like it goes without saying. I use this twice a day. So good. Before I get into the foundation, everything I'm using here today is going to be linked down below in my description box. Those are affiliate links, and that just means that if you shop through my links, it really helps to support my channel. So I thank anyone who uses my links. So I'm going in with the one, of course. I'm going in with the Saie, oh God, I will say the name of this is long as hell. The Glowy Super Skin Serum Foundation. So I have this in the shade 4, and I know in other videos I had said that maybe I might need a lighter shade mixed in. I was wrong. This is absolutely my perfect shade. I think where I went wrong is I always get caught up in like the difference between how white my neck is compared to my face, because there is a difference. But once I started using this again and again, I realized, oh, this is actually my perfect shade. And if I went any lighter than this, I would definitely look like Casper. So forget about me saying that. That was just wrong. Okay, so what I like to do with this foundation is I like to put one pump or a little bit less into my hand, smooth it out over a clean palm, just like this. Damn it, did I get some foundation on my shirt? Damn it. All right, I put some water on it. I don't know, we'll see if that does the trick. And then literally just press it everywhere I'm going to apply it. That way, all the product gets on my face. It's not gonna get soaked up by the tool I use. I like using this foundation best with a sponge. I tried using the brush. I've used the brush several times. It's fine. I just don't think it's the best. So I'm gonna go back in and just go over everything with my sponge. I just feel like I have more control. I feel like I can get to more areas quicker with this. I feel like it gives me a more natural, seamless application. So there's the application of the foundation. I think that's just the perfect amount. Now we're gonna go in with concealer, and I found a new concealer. So this is a concealer I've been wanting to try for a while. It's not brand new, but it's new to me. So this is the Sephora brand Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer, and I'm in the shade Buttercream. I've been using this last week, and I find this to be a really nice, easily blendable, thin yet creamy formula. Wow, it just really does blend out like a dream. See how it brightened my under eyes? This really is like a perfect shade match. I really got in there to try to figure out my shade match with this concealer. Okay, so that is the foundation and the concealer. Super quick, super easy. And again, I want to reiterate, so much easier to just do it all with a damp beauty blender. This isn't a beauty blender, actually. This is from the brand Egsa, but I just mean a damp sponge, I think is the best way to go. Look at that gorgeous, dewy, natural application. I'm going in with one shadow and one shadow only, of course, and this is the Glowing Guava Beauty Bento Stack from Cate. I'm going in with the top shade. This shade on my skin tone is just so perfect. It's a little bit warm, but not too warm. It really makes the eyes pop. And boy, is this gonna go beautifully with our blush that we're gonna be using. I also wanna let you guys know that the brand new, updated, refreshed version of the Pro Choice Beauty brand list is up on my Instagram, so definitely check that out. I believe there was an addition of about 6 brands this time, which is pretty good, honestly, for this late in the game. Like, I'm still glad that I'm finding out about brands. Next, I'm gonna go in with powder. I'm not gonna set my face too much, just a little bit. And I am using a non-Pro Choice powder right now because this is the best blurring powder I have, and that's what I like to use. So this is from LYS. Still in the hunt for a replacement for a blurring powder that's Pro Choice. And yes, I know I need to try the Make powder because I've heard that it's fantastic. So just a light dusting of that everywhere. Now I'm moving on to brows, and when I'm in a quick hurry, I just grab a brow gel. That is my go-to, and I am currently using the Benefit Brow Gel in the shade 4.5. I find that when you're doing a minimal makeup look, brows just really bring it all together in a way that you just kind of even forget. So I'm gonna let that set because it's a little bit wet right now. And then after it dries down, I'm gonna go in with another brow product, which is the Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax. While I'm waiting on my brows to dry, I'm gonna go in and just curl my lashes. And I do like to curl them for about 10 seconds and pull up so I get the best curl I possibly can. I'm gonna give my lashes some oomph with my go-to Tower 28 Make Waves mascara. When I first opened this tube up, it is like a little wet for my liking, but now it's just right. So we're not doing any liner today because that just takes too much time. Again, the name of the game with this makeup look is quick and easy. So I saw this TikTok that one of my subscribers sent to me. Thank you, Karen K, for sending this to me because it was so validating and just, I felt so seen. It was a TikTok of Isaac Mizrahi talking about how he has like reverse seasonal depression. Whereas most people get sad in the winter, in the cold months, he actually feels that way about spring and summer. And I could not agree more. That is exactly how I feel, and I feel like I can share it with nobody because everyone is obsessed with like warm weather and hot weather. I just have never heard anyone state it so perfectly and also just hilariously, and I so appreciate him for that. So Isaac Mizrahi and me, twins. And for extra impact with a quick makeup look, I know this takes a couple extra seconds, but I do like to go in and do my lower lashes as well. Okay, next I'm going in with blush, and yes, indeed, I'm using my two favorite current blush shades. These are the Merit Flush Balms. This is Fox, this is Stockholm. Can't stop, won't stop. The main player in this game is gonna be Fox, and then we're gonna go in on the apples with this baby right here. And I use this brush in almost every single video and reel I do. This is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush Brush. I get a lot of questions about this. Definitely run, do not walk on this. Like when that Sephora sale hits, put this in your cart because this brush can have its way with me. And you see how it's kind of a little bit of like a monochromatic moment with the eyeshadow I have going on. Gorgeous. And I like to draw that up into the eyeshadow so it's nice and seamless, nice and easy as well. Like what? What's even going on? That's stunning. Okay, we're already to lips, and these are my go-to like on-the-go lip shades. I keep these in my bag at all times. These are the Tower 28 Juice Balms in the shade Shake and Mix. And I like to mix them both. So first I'm gonna go in with Mix, which is this beautiful nude, a warm nude. Beautiful on its own. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of pink because you know me, I gotta have a little bit of pink. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with that baby pink on the apples. Right there in the money spot. And then of course, draw it up for good measure. And honestly, I don't even do highlighter with this because this is such a glowy, dewy moment. And I feel like it gives me enough. So this is pretty much it. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to do my Fluff Up Brow Wax just for that sort of fluffy editorial brow look. Yeah, this really, really keeps my brows in place so beautifully. Okay, but like I have to put a gloss on though. Perfect. Thank you guys so much for joining me. This was super easy and breezy. Almost felt a little too easy and breezy, but that's the point. This is about simple and easy, damn it. You guys are the best. Please stay safe out there, and cheers till next time.